This is a big question for like a lot of producers. How important is it to actually get out and network versus just staying in the house all day making beats?
That's like, some people gonna probably be mad, but that's more important than making the beat.
That's one thing I notice all the time. It's like I'm just the coldest producer nobody ever hear.
Yeah.
And I've heard some of the people we interviewed that won Grammys or whatnot, so I just wanted you to speak on
It'd be
the
Grammy,
network.
yeah, it'd be Grammy nominated winning producers that are unknown. And it's just like depending on where you at or who your circle is, you can do that. Like Tommy Brown, have you ever heard of Tommy Brown?
I have not.
This dude got back-to-back number ones with Ariana Grande, her album. He's been working with Black Eyed Peas, Chris Brown, T.I., one of the biggest producers in the game, but a lot of people don't, like not mainstream, but outside of the industry, a lot of people don't know him, but everybody should know him. And then it was just like, so it's kind of a battle between that as well, because it's just like, unless you just trying to be that producer that's like, yeah, all up in the video. It's like,
No, I know what you.
but no, it ain't nothing wrong with that. But it's just like, because I always went back and forth with that, because I was just like, I don't really want the fame like that. I want to be known for my craft, but I don't want to be like, I can't go to the grocery store. Like, I want to be able to still go to the movies, chill. I might see some people like, oh, what up? But networking is probably like 55-45. Like, because it's just like I said with you, like having to start over. I had beats for days. I had dope written records. And then once I pressed play, when I was in certain rooms, they was just like, yo, you did that? And that's how I always knew like my stuff was fire. I don't care when people be like, oh, yeah, that's dope. Oh, that's fire. I don't want to hear that. When somebody be like, yo, you did that? That's when you know that's cold. Like, that's it. And they were saying that to stuff I did 3-4 years ago. So I was just like, okay, cool. I know I'm definitely in the right realm. Like, I know what I'm doing. Like, but networking is so crucial, and not just Instagram networking, like, which is dope and it works.
Doing it correctly.
But yeah, doing it correctly, but actually going outside of the industry to network. Like, the way I was able to create another network was, one, I found a studio and I just stuck there. Like Ultrium Studios, they had Yanni, Cadis, Notch, all these dope producers, and I was just like, cool. Not only can I learn and be a fly on the wall and figure out all this stuff, elevate my music and my mix, but I can make money as well. So finding a studio home. So wherever anybody's at, find a studio. It's gonna take some time. Go to different studios, find one that fits your vibe, not something you have to change your element for. And one that fits your vibe, and then stick with it. It's gonna take time. And then over time, you know, they're gonna be like, okay, you either rock with it, or they don't. And then you just move on.
Thank you for watching A Wise Way. Subscribe to stay updated, share to pass the knowledge, or view our other videos on the left.